welcome to my channel. Today I have an awesome new great video to share with all of you today. I'm going to go through the Beach Chic limited edition 6-piece kit right here from Ulta Beauty. I'm super excited to go through all of these products and share with you what you get in this lovely kit right here. First off, we're going to open it and you get this amazing cosmetics bag. It's very beachy and very bright, colorful pastel with lovely glitter on it. I love the glitter. And it's super cute and compact. It goes great in any kind of bag, really. You can put your little essentials in and just head on out to the beach or wherever you want to go. Very flexible bag. In here you get two little scrunchies, great for putting your hair up wherever you want to go. Super cute pastel pink colors. Love it. I love the theme is pastel pink because it's just so beautiful. I love it. First, you get this beautiful matte bronzer that I have on right here. I'm going to do a little mini tutorial slash look towards the end of the video and show you how I got this look right here with all of the products. All these products are from Ulta Beauty, their own personal brand. And it says Beach Vibes. How cute, because I'm always like vibes, everything summer, beach, whatever, positive vibes right here. So super cute beach vibes right here. I love it. I hope that the embossing doesn't go away, but it's super nice. I really like how it goes on. It's not too harsh. It's like very light, so application is very good with that one. Then you get the Beach Chic 6-piece eyeshadow palette. This is very super cute. You get 6 shadows. Very lovely warm tones. I really like this one right here that I have on my lid. Very nice. They're super easy to blend out. All of these, they go on great, nice. All the coverage is very great. Pigment is very on point. I really like them a lot. Right here I have the It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere Blush Duo, and I really need one of these drinks right now. With this you get 2 beautiful blushes. I have this one on right now and it's very nice and it's very subtle. I don't know about this one, but this one is very subtle and nice and warm. Nice tone. I really like this one a lot, and it's very shimmery but not too shimmery. They go on smoothly, no problems whatsoever. I have the Ulta Beauty Boardwalk Babe lip gloss, and it's very nice, but I have a problem with the application. This wand sucks, and I'm being honest, it sucks. Look at the wand, it's like too pointy, not enough product goes on, and it's hard to like apply the product. So I actually have to go in sometimes with another wand or brush or just even it out with my fingers. They need to change this one, that's for sure, to another sort of method to choose from, because this one is not working out. It makes it all lumpy, kind of like goo. Sometimes it makes a mess when you take out the product. See, you get like a little mess right here. I'm just not a fan of the application process. I like the color. The color is very nice. I'm really obsessed with the bag. Everything fits so well into the bag. It's very nice for all your little essential products. And the packaging is great and wonderful. Now that I'm finished with showing off all the products, I'm going to do a little makeup look for all of you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Now we're getting into the makeup look of the video. I already did my face, I did my foundation, and I already primed. So I'm just doing a makeup look with the products that are in the bag right here. I'm going to use the 6-piece eyeshadow Beach Chic palette right here, the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in first with my base shade, which will be Bikini, as you can see right here. A lovely, nice, creamy toned glitter shade. I'm taking one of my lovely eyeshadow brushes. That will be my highlight shade and my base shade, so 2 in 1, which is never bad at all. Trying to find the right brush here, and I'm going to dive into it and apply it on both lids. It's a very nice light shade. The base base and highlight shade has been applied, I'm going to dive into the orange tone shade right here. It's called Beach House right there, and that will be my lid shade for the look. It's not too orange, it's more of a warm shade. Now that the lid shade has been applied, and I probably lost some footage because of the heat, I'm going to use this shade, this lovely brown shade. It's called Getaway, and that will be my corner shade and kind of like my crease shade as well, 2 in 1. Taking an angled eyeshadow brush and dipping in and blending the shadow into the lid shade. Going in, going as dark as you want to with your eyeliner. You can even take it up here as well if you want to. Moving on to the next eye. Taking the corner of the brush to the outer corner of the eye and then moving inward towards the inner corner shade and stopping at the end of that. And gently moving across. That will complete the eyeshadow look, so I have a few other little goodies I want to try on as well. I have the bronzer here, and I'm going to use this as my contouring shade. It's a matte bronzer, but it's very light. It's called Beach Vibes. Super awesome and cute. I love beach vibes. So I'm going to use my angled highlight brush. Going to dip into it a little bit like so. And I'm making a 3 along my face. I'm starting from the temple area downward, fish face, and then to the chin. Establishing where I want my contour to be. And applying again, blending out everything. You can make it as dark as you want, but I like mine a little bit kind of light. It depends on how it comes out really. Doing the same for the other side. Temple, fish face, and chin. Working that jawline as well right here. Now that my face contour is complete and I have it well blended in my opinion, I'm going to start on the nose contour with the same shade, dipping in a little bit and starting from the inner corner of the eye all the way down as a straight line basically. I'm going along down. Making sure everything is well blended. This makes a nice nose contour because it's not too dark. Doing the same thing for the other side and down. Making sure I get everything. I'm taking this big fluffy brush and just going to blend everything out nicely, making sure there's no harsh lines, everything's softly blended. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contouring palette to highlight my nose. I'm going to dip into the cream shade right here, dust off the excess, and I'm going to clench the brush and go into the middle of my nose where there's a gap between the contour. That'll be my highlight in between the eyebrows, and a little bit right here too. Why not, right? Right there on the Cupid's bow. Then we're going to go into blush. I'm going to use the Summer Sangria. I wish I had some sangria right now, that'd be great. Taking the fluffy brush again because there's not really much on it, dipping into the lovely shade, and it's a very glittery shimmer shade. Taking the blush and blending it from the hairline down, not messing up the contour, just adding some nice color to your face. This one's very light with a little bit of shimmer, but it blends out very nice. So far, I really like this one. Gives you like a nice color to your face. If it goes onto your contour, that's okay. Nothing to freak out about. Making sure it's well blended. Taking another little brush and just going over that as well. So it's not too harsh. You're not a circus clown. You're just adding a little bit of nice hue to your face after all the work we've done to it. Adding some life back in. Now the final step, the Boardwalk Babe lip gloss from Ulta Beauty. It's a lovely shade. I'm going to do the best I can with this one, and I should hurry up because it's starting to rain, so I didn't know that was going to be a thing today. I found some little droplets. I'm trying to blend this out the best that I can for you guys here while I can. It's like glue. So far so good though. Sorry about the train noise. They want to try and ruin my videos every time they can. That is the final look. I think it looks great. I really recommend that you check out the kit for yourself. This one is the Beach Chic 6-piece kit from Ulta Beauty. They have a wide variety of different bags to choose from and different looks, but this one by far to me is the best deal and the best price. You get a lot for your money, a lot of bang for your buck, so I really recommend that you get this one. The other ones are good, but this one has a lot more products in the bag, and you get a full look, in my opinion, with this. So I really want to thank all of you for watching my video. So this is the final look using the Beach Chic 6-piece kit from Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching my Beach Chic 6-piece kit review from Ulta Beauty. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.